Mm.
In this case, what he needed was a permit.
Well, let's get one thing clear. She was a willing participant in all of this.
And we will certainly consider that in
She found him in the tent, no.